Hello ladies, welcome to Femzo. Please do subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get our channel's notifications. Every woman's dream is to get baby soft legs. But most of the ladies are worrying about cracked heels. Cracked heels are a very common problem which can be treated using home ingredients. Let us first know what causes cracked heels. Cracked heels are caused due to lack of moisture, aging, unhealthy diet. There are several home remedies to treat cracked heels. I have shown two important methods which can quickly heal cracked legs. Method 1 is banana paste. Banana paste can be used for cracked heels which gives moisture to your legs. Do this method daily. Take a ripe banana cut into pieces. Mash banana roughly. Apply it on your cracked leg. The moisturizing benefits of bananas are also great for treating dry, cracked heels. Leave for 15 minutes. Pat dry. Do this method daily until you get baby soft feet. Method 2, Vaseline. Apply petroleum jelly on cracked heels. Petroleum jelly is a good way to restore moisture to cracked heels. Wear socks after applying. Do this daily before going to bed. Try any one of the remedies for better results. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, hit like and share with your friends.